In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradients mesh in Figma. We'll build a soft, colorful gradient mesh effect using simple shapes and a blur right inside Figma's design editor. This is perfect for vibrant backgrounds, hero sections, or presentation slides. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser. Once your workspace loads, look for the All Projects view so you can see your files. Open the project where you want to work. If you're following along with a new file, that works too. Just make sure you're inside the design editor. Create a new frame to hold the gradient mesh, press the F key, then choose a preset like desktop, mobile, or set a custom size that fits your layout. This frame is essentially your canvas, so pick the size you actually plan to use. It's helpful to zoom out a bit so you can see the edges clearly. Now add a few simple objects. Circles work best for this technique. Press O for the ellipse tool and drag while holding shift to keep them perfectly round. Draw multiple circles and scatter them around the frame. Vary the sizes and overlap them slightly. That overlap is what creates the interesting blends later. Give each circle a different fill color. With a circle selected, go to the fill section on the right and choose a bold color. Aim for a palette with contrast. Warm and cool tones together often look great. You don't need gradients on the circles themselves. Solid colors are ideal here. If you want a richer look, duplicate a circle and nudge it around to introduce more color pockets. Next, with a circle selected, find the effects section in the right panel. Click the plus icon to add an effect. From the effect type menu, choose layer blur. This effect smudges and blends the edges of each colored circle into the ones around it. Increase the blur value to 100. You can type it directly into the field. At around 100, the colors blend smoothly into a soft, mesh-like background. If anything feels too intense, try moving a circle slightly or adjusting its color until the transitions look pleasing. Larger circles give broader, softer blends. Smaller circles add accents. That's it. You've created a gradient mesh look using a frame, a handful of colored circles, and a strong layer blur. This method stays editable, so you can always tweak colors, positions, and sizes later to suit your design. Thanks for watching and enjoy using this technique in your next Figma project.